So yun po mga kababayan ma'am sir. Ay, good evening na mga kababayan ma'am sir. So this is Jam, the Filipino channel po ang inyong pong lingkod. So today nga is January 30, 2025. At tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan sa may Sheraton Manila Hotel, sa may Andros Avenue corner, Jasmine Drive, Barangay 183 Pasay. At dadalhin po natin yan sa may NAIA Terminal 1 na Pasay, sa may Santo Niño, Parañaque. Pasay pa rin yan. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya unti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sakasakali man po namin marinig kayo mga pangalan po ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organization, government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pamong dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamayang unti pag nakuha na po natin. Yan, so dito na tayo. Magbabalik po tayo. Ano po, mamaya unti pag nakuha na po natin. Pick up lang po. 6:45.
Enter rightmost lane, then in 90 meters, turn right onto Resort Drive.
We will take the Skyway, sir, huh? Because it's heavy traffic there now.
There is a bumpy road in 60 meters. Please drive safely. There is a bumpy road in 40 meters. Please drive safely. In 300 meters, keep right at the fork onto Circulo del Mundo.
This tax,
This is 45 pesos, sir.
how much?
It's only 45, sir.
Good way? This?
Yeah, because this is the Skyway. If we will take the other one, the not the Skyway, then it's so it's heavy traffic there now. So what's better if we will take the Skyway.
In 100 meters, keep right at the fork. 100 meters, keep right at the fork onto Andrews Avenue.
How much speed here?
Before it's only 60, but now they added already. It's see here kasi that is 80. Maximum speed is 80 now.
80.
Yeah, 80 kilometers.
Continue for 1 kilometer, then turn right off the ramp towards 194, Terminal 1.
I mean not they increase.
Hmm?
Not I just said before that earlier that they added. It's a wrong grammar. They increase 10 kph because before it's 60 and they increase 10 kph more, so that's why now it's 80 kph. Oh, 60 plus, no, it's 20.
What's better place in Manila here?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
A better place.
The better place, that one.
Port City.
Yes, the port city. That is the better place here because it is nearest here in all airports, and there is an access
In
of
400
all
meters,
airports.
turn right off the ramp
I mean,
towards 194,
Sky, here in
Terminal
Skyway.
1.
If you will just
What's
visit
better here in Sabah Massage?
massage,
Yeah.
I don't
In
have
200 meters, turn right off the
idea.
ramp towards 194,
For couple.
Terminal 1.
I don't have an idea of massage because I I don't know. I don't have any idea. But as far as I know, the whole body massage is 250, just for one hour, I think, or 3 hours maximum.
For couple?
Huh?
For couple.
I don't understand what for.
For couple. Booth.
Continue for 700
Me and
meters,
wife.
then keep
Ay,
right
couple.
No.
towards
No,
195,
couple is
Terminal 1.
that is different. So that is 250. That is per head. So 250 plus 250, that would be 500 pesos.
Boy,
Because-
huh?
Yeah, there's a lady. There is also a boy.
No, boy. Only boy.
Yeah, boy. Yes, there is a boy. But for your wife, it must be lady also.
No problem, boy.
No. They will not allow maybe. If you are couple, boy must be in you, and the other one must be lady.
195, Terminal 1.
No, I need all boy.
I don't know if they will allow. Maybe no. Maybe they will not allow. Because there's a lot of
In 100 meters, keep
therapists
right
there.
at the fork.
There's a lot of boy and girl. So I don't know if you will request. I mean, I think yeah, they will give you if you will request. But as far as I know, if the customer is a lady, then they will give also a lady.
Continue for 800 meters, then make a
Should
slight
be
left.
multi-choice.
Yes, it's your choice. Indonesia, what's your country, sir?
What?
What's
Gulf,
your-
Gulf.
Yeah, yeah, Gulf. Where in Gulf?
Gulf, Middle East.
Yeah, I know, Middle East.
Mm.
Because I went there before, in Saudi Arabia.
You?
Yes, I worked there before in Saudi Arabia.
What work?
Driver. But my latest job there is supervisor and coordinator in Aramco. Yeah, that's why I asked you because the way you speak is seems that seems that you are
You
an
are
Arabic.
Saudi? I'm
Yeah.
not Saudi. I'm not Saudi.
But same.
Same accent.
Same accent, yeah.
In 100 meters, make a slight left.
How many time in Saudi Arabia stay?
I worked there, all in all, I worked there more or less 14 years.
14.
Yes, 14 years I worked there.
So much.
Since 20,
Enter
2008
left onto lane,
up
then in 100 meters,
to
turn left.
2000, just last year. Departure, right?
You have arrived at your destination.
Oh, please, sir. Here. Thank you, sir. Ay, sorry. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ayan, so na-drop na natin sila. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat po at God bless. Paalam po muna pansamantala at tayo ay mag-ikot-ikot at gagawa na ng separate video sa ating susunod na mga misyon. Paalam po muna pansamantala po.